Hello guys, I have another Dollarama haul for you. So the first thing I got is the twin blade disposable razor. And then I found this cute adorable egg with the emo sign. I think this is so cute and adorable if you're going to give with someone that you really like it to give. And if you're going to put something inside, I think this is very fun for them to open. And then I found this hairbrush for myself, and I think the quality is not bad. The quality is okay, and I want to give a try for this one. And anyway, I need to buy, so I just get one for myself. And then I found this pillowcase, and this pillowcase is so adorable, cute. First, I like the color, but I don't know what is the design because it doesn't show what is the design. But when I open it, it's so very cute. I like it so much. It's a very, very girly design. And guys, yeah, the design is so cute and like a girly one. It's so very, very cute. I like it so much. If you can see, it looks like a fairy one, and the design is very, 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 very good. So yeah, and then the next thing I got is the Excel gum. The Excel gum is my favorite, all-time favorite in the Dollarama store. I always buy this one because this is the only gum that I always take, and I like the flavor very much. So yeah. And then guys, if you are a big fan of coconut with the feeling of chocolate, this is good for you guys. This one is my favorite too, and this is so delicious. So guys, the last thing I got is for my kitchen stuff. So yeah, and then guys, I put some picture on it at the last of my video, so you will see some like stuff that is selling in the Dollarama. So anyway guys, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.